Sup, Froff dogs? On the last video, we got a taste of the Sweet Pineapple Express event in Bright. Steep trails and sweet flow, it was off its tits. On today's video, the band is back together. Froff's off chops and is somewhere good.
Far out.
Get tough chops. Get tough chops. Get tough chops with the Froff.
It's been a while since we've been to somewhere good in Glengarry, one of our favourite mountain biking destinations. It's time for a much needed lap with the dudes.
Oh look, yeah, it's the YouTuber.
Let's do it. ADD? Yeah, sick. We are making our way over to the newly improved ADD trail. And if you haven't been here before, the first thing you will notice is the amount of awesome timber features scattered throughout somewhere good. Send it, Rowan. Woo! Oh yeah. You're in so high then. Once at the bottom of ADD, we make our way up to the flow track, but not without some fun along the way. I'm so unfit. What? He's going for it. Oh, that bit's sick. Nice one. That was good. That bottom mid's wicked, eh? I can go down, I'll film it, and all you boys just pin it.
Yeah, Froff.
Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, this berm is sick. Yeah, it's good.
You a bit too spread out?
A little bit too spread out. But it wasn't exactly like I imagined, but it was pretty good.
Go, bulk train.
Oh yeah. What are you doing down there, Tent?
You're so lucky you don't like.
Yes.
Come on, mate. Can't keep down. Give it another crack.
Redemption. No dabs, mate. Nice. Yes. That was fast. Pair of the hardtail. Yes. After sessioning the Trail Fairy's handiwork on Stump Run, it's time to head over to Jump Run.
This song is so sleazy. Here you go, bro.
Whoa. Woo! Oi!
Seesaw's the natural next direction you go into, or what?
We could do the seesaw.
What are you doing it?
Got it.
Somewhere Good absolutely lives up to its name. A massive shout out to the dudes for bringing those positive vibes, and the Trail Fairies that continue to maintain and improve this awesome mountain bike park. Play of the day goes to Tent Pimp for sending the seesaw.
What are you doing it?
If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.